agree or disagree between the three of us, I do believe the prosecution has proven racketeering. Are we all on the same page there?
No. First of all, I think you have to have the whole trial. The jury is instructed you have to listen to all the evidence before you can determine what's been proven. If you're saying you think they have made out a prima facie case of the elements they have to prove, you may have a point. I'm not sure I'm even there yet. I think that a reasonable jury could find that these were willing participants and not people who were trafficked based on what I'm reading. You know, I see the comments, and I understand the treatment of some of these people was really not what I would ever want, you know, for me to be treated, and people I'd probably go commit homicide if they treated my daughter that way. But but it's somebody's being a willing participant. That's going to be something a jury has to decide. RICO is not that hard. I mean, RICO really is simply that there's some form of organization or enterprise that does a series, a pattern of bad acts, and it can be as few as two. So it's not that RICO is magic. It was designed to root out organized crime, and it's been put in lots of other cases, including civil cases, to show organizations that engage in various frauds or other predicate acts. But so I don't think the RICO has the magic of it. To me, the issue is after we hear all the evidence, will they have shown enough elements of the case that they make it to the jury? Because remember, at the end of the prosecution's case, the defense is going to make a motion to dismiss under something called Rule 29 that's going to say, as a matter of law, the prosecutor has not proven prima facie cases on all these elements. But if they make it to the jury, you have to listen to all the evidence and determine whether it's right or not. I don't think you really should make your mind up until you hear the whole case.
Nevin, thoughts on that?
I'm in agreement with that statement. I can't say that they've proven RICO, and of course we haven't heard, like, we're not really hearing all the details and everything else. I think a really big component of potentially proving the RICO is this Christina Courtroom. Not to jump ahead, but Diddy's Ghislaine Maxwell per se. I think she holds a huge role in proving this RICO. That's my position on this. I've always thought it was a tough RICO case to prove. I'm not so sure they don't catch him on the other ones, the other charges. The RICO, I can't say I'm there just yet.